Alright, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Let's get the knife and get going and get this thing open. This is, of course, the forge. I ordered it on the 6th, and it showed up today on the 18th, so that took a bit longer than I expected, but I still got it. So let's get it opened and see what we've got going on. Of course, I don't know about any of this stuff. I'm going to make all this stuff up as I go, so if I get things wrong, I'll correct that in edit. And this looks like it's paper. I guess I don't have to guess at what that is. Let's see what else we got. We've got a hose thing. Probably the high pressure hose. Not sure what pressure it's supposed to be, but it's a hose. Take a look. There you go. Alright. This is a bubble. It's a bubble. Got a piece of cardboard with some stuff stuffed inside that. So let's see what else we got. Here's some instructions. I don't know what these little black things are for, but they look like little rubber stopper things. Maybe they go on something, maybe for feet. I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Let's see what we got. Looks like these are pretty heavy. That's probably the fire bricks. So, and this of course is what we've been waiting for, and it is the forge. It is Hell's Forge. Put the box down, and as you can see, it is the Hell's Forge, and it's the double. It's got some white stuff inside there. It's got two holes for putting the red things in. A hole on this side, and a hole on that side. So that's it. So let's see what else we got going on here. Let's get these bricks open. Yep, this is a fire brick, and I believe it goes on the inside. Stuff it in there, put it in the hole, and there we go. That's a lot harder than I thought it was. Thought it might be fluffy, but it's not fluffy. I guess it can't be fluffy since it's got to handle the heat. That's not a surprise. Alright, keep opening the bricks. You guys all know what happens with this. It's another brick. And look inside the hole and put it in there, and there you go. That's how the fire bricks go. Alright, moving on. Let's wipe off the desk. Let's see what's in the cardboard thing holding stuff. Doesn't seem like a whole lot of extra packing. Doesn't seem like it's unnecessary. Seems like it's pretty well put together as far as packaging is concerned. So you guys did a good job. Alright, so this is the red things, and this is the fuel thing. I don't know what that's called. We'll figure that out. Let's get this opened up. As you can see here, it's the brass fuel thing. It's got the knob on it. It's got two ends. It's the fuel thing. Alright, this is obviously one of the tubes that goes on the inside of the pipe there. Like I said, my knife is sharp, except when I'm trying to cut things. When I don't want to cut things, that knife is like a razor and cuts everything. Alright, there's one red thing. Let's get this one going, and there comes another red thing. How does that go in there? So let's clean this mess up a bit. that's on there tight. Not exactly sure what to do here, but instructions are for people without imagination. So let's see if we can make this fit. Doesn't seem like it's put on there straight. Seems like it wants to wobble a bit. Might be bent. This looks like it fits the way it's supposed to. I suppose I should probably think about putting some of the tape on it. Yeah, this one doesn't look straight. If you look at it, it looks kind of crooked a bit. But maybe that's because of the hose on the other side. Let's see if I can give it a tweak and maybe straighten it out a bit. Alright, let's try this one on the other side, because it may be the nut that's welded on there a bit crooked, which is a possibility, so we'll figure that out. But let's see what the instructions say. It says, hey, put the red thing on the brass thing and tighten it up. It says, there we go, that's nice and snug. I don't know how you define snug, but it's snug. Let's make sure we get this one on straight. Always pays to be a little cautious when you're threading things on. Go slow. That way you don't cross thread it. Alright, let's put the red things in the holes, because I know where those go now. Not sure how deep this is supposed to go. Oops, that came out a little bit farther than I expected. Alright, that looks pretty good. Looks like it's just about right. Let's see what else the instructions say. I'm only going to read the second instruction. And it says, basically all the fittings on the brass stuff has been taped, and now we can put the hose on. Don't know if I'm supposed to keep this thing on there or not, but alright, this is the high pressure gas hose, and it has gas. Holds gas, puts the gas into the red things. Red things catch on fire and they feed into the forge. This is where this part goes. Let's get this nice and tight. Gotta feel where those pipes are. I don't know how far these things are supposed to go in, but we'll put them there and see what it looks like. Only gonna hand tighten stuff for now because of other stuff. I have no idea what I'm saying in the video. So there you go. It's all put together. That's what it looks like. Next video we'll do is going to end up being lighting it for the first time after I finish reading the instructions and making sure I've got it set up properly. Okay, so since this channel's about my learning process and figuring out how to do all this stuff and bringing you folks along for the ride, I thought I'd share some of the things that I learned while doing this. First, I need more than one camera. As you can see from this video, I had a single camera with poor lighting and all kinds of other stuff, but I still had a lot of fun trying to figure this out. During the edit, I realized once I got the video imported that I didn't actually have any audio recorded. I thought I checked everything when I set the camera up, but I didn't make sure that I had it set to the right microphone. So I had to dub, I had to do a voice recording and basically dub everything I remembered saying and then make some stuff up while I was watching what I recorded in the main video section. So, you know, always make sure you check your setup, make sure it's working, test it, you know, do a quick 3 or 4 second recording with some dialogue, check the lighting, check everything else, make sure it's what you expect and what you're looking for, and then, you know, have fun. I got the forge today. That's the last, well, not the last thing, but that's a major part of what I wanted to be able to do, and I couldn't really get started until I got that. Now that I have it, I'm going to keep going. Next video is going to be about getting that hooked up and running. I've got to go buy a tank. I don't know what size it is. It's the medium size. Maybe it's 50 gallons. There's a 100 gallon, a 50 gallon, a 20 gallon, and a 5 gallon. I think I'm going to go with the 50 gallon. It's not the big giant one, but it's not the little teeny ones. It's sort of in between, like the Goldilocks propane tank, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. The more subscribers I get, the better we, I don't know, it's just better. Subscribe. If you have any comments, or you'd like to make any comments or have anything to say, please leave those comments below and I'll be sure to answer as best I can. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.